Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to export DXF files from HFSS or any kind of full wave EM simulation softwares, and also the processing DXF files before fabrication. So I am using HFSS software for EM simulation. So first of all, you open this software. So first of all, here you have to choose any of your designs which you have designed earlier. So I am taking a particular design which I designed using this software. So you open it. Now for HFSS software, if you export here from modeler, you click modeler, then export, then you can select a format which is already selected as DXF, then give a name and just save. So this will export the DXF file, but the problem is that in HFSS if you export, it will export only the plane which is in the XY plane, that is at z equals to 0. So for your design you have to actually export 3 DXF files. One is for the top layer, that is the signal plane layer, another one is for the ground layer, and the last one is for the outline, that is the PCB board outline. So first of all, I will export these 3 DXF files one after another. So first of all, I will export the signal plane. So for that, the best process is, first you select the plane like this which you want to export, then select copy, right click, edit, then copy, then you open a new project, and from here you open a new design and you just paste it here. I am doing this because this will not affect your original design, because sometimes for changing the dimensions and all the solutions become invalidated. So this is the best process for exporting DXF files. This will not disturb your original design. Whatever is there, you just copy and paste it to a new design like this. So this plane, this design is already in the XY plane, so I will not have to do anything. I will just export directly from here, modeler, export, give a name, say this is the top layer, so I am giving the name top, select the location and save. Okay, so your DXF file is exported here. This is the top.dxf. So this is the DXF file for the signal plane only. Now I will export the DXF for the ground plane. So first of all, you delete this one and go to the design, the actual design. Now I will select the ground plane. So now select this ground plane from here. Okay, it is selected now. Copy just like earlier, edit, copy, then go to the new design and paste it. Now you see the ground plane is not in the XY plane. So first of all I have to bring it in the XY plane. So for that you select this plane, go to this coordinate window and select this to 0. The Z coordinate you make 0. So this will bring your ground plane to the XY plane. Now see, and also the slot information is missing here. So for that you have to select this one also. So you have to make all the coordinates, in all the coordinates you have to make the Z coordinate equals to 0. So this will bring your entire ground plane in the XY plane. Okay, now it is ready for exporting. Now go to the modeler section, export, and just like earlier select a location, give name bottom, and the file format is DXF. Click save. So now my ground plane is also exported here. Okay, now I have to export the outline DXF. So just like previous, you delete this one first and go to the original design. Now I will select the outermost dimension part object, that is the substrate. Substrate is the outermost, so select the substrate, you copy and go to the new design and just paste it. Now if you export, it will export the outline only, and this outline will be your PCB board outline when you will fabricate this design. So click modeler, export, select location, give a name outline, and format is already selected here, DXF, save. Okay, now I have exported all the DXF files, the 3 DXF files. Okay, so I have exported all the 3 DXF files from here. First one is the patch layer, that is the signal plane layer, this top, then the ground plane layer is bottom, and the outline is outline. So now we have to open this software, this Design Pro. This software comes with the MITS PCB fabrication tool. So this tool is controlled by this software. So before fabrication you have to process the DXF files first in this software. So I will show you how you can process the DXF files. So first of all, here click file and you import the previously created DXF files. So first I am importing the signal plane layer, that is the top DXF. Okay, click OK. Okay, so it is imported here. Now here it is showing only the outline of your design. Now I have to fill the polygon. For this you just select like this, the entire design you select like this and click this option, this polygon fill group. If you click it, it will fill the polygon. Now it is ready. Now I will import the DXF file for the ground plane. Click DXF in, select bottom, so it is imported here. Now the two designs are overlapped here, so I will deactivate the previous one because previous one is already processed. So here, from here you can deactivate it like this, double click, it will deactivate the previous one. So now just like the previous, you select the whole design first and click the polygon fill group, and it will again fill your polygon. Now you activate the previously disabled layer. Okay, now I will import the DXF for the outline, that is the PCB outline. Okay, it is imported. Now I will process this DXF file. Now I have to convert this DXF file into MIT file, .mit file, and this file is actually required for the PCB fabrication tool. Your PCB fabrication tool will not understand the DXF format, it understands only .mit format. So I have to transform this DXF file into MIT file. So for this, first of all, there are some options here, you see. So first option, you click here, this is they make milling outlines, click here. Now see all the layers. Actually I have 3 DXF files which I have imported. All the 3 layers are showing here. So for the outline, here there is the option, you click here and select. This outline will gonna be the PCB outline, so select PCB outline. And for the bottom, you select pattern bottom, and for the top you select pattern top. Now click apply. Okay, so one part is done, that is milling outlines. Okay, now you click the make reboard data. So click, this window will come out, and here you select this reboot for both. I can reboot for top bottom individually, but I will select both. So this will reboot for both the 2 layers at a time. Okay, and here you select the PCB outline layer and click apply. So this step is also done. Now the last step is this routing data, make contour routing data. So click here and just click apply. Okay, now it is done. Now you save this design, file, save as, select a location, give a name, design. Okay, click save. Here another pop-up will come out. Here you will have to give the name, design. Other 2 field you leave blank, you just click OK. Okay, now I have converted the whole DXF files. The 3 DXF files is converted to a single file, that is this MIT file which I have created, and this file contains all the informations. It contains the information of all the 3 DXF files. Okay, now I don't require this DXF files, you can delete these DXF files. Okay, and you just retain this file. This file will do your job. Now you can start your fabrication, opening that design pro software, and here you can select click this application button, and from here you can select this option cam auto, and in this cam auto you can, this design is previously there. If it is not previously there, you can import it from here. Open this design MIT, click open. So after importing, this design will come up here, and from here you can start your fabrication using these tools. So for the fabrication process, I will make another separate video. So as of now it is only this much. The processing the DF files is already done. So thank you for watching. Bye.